Hi everyone and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. If you're new to my channel, what we do here is we do art out of simple supplies in our house. And a lot of times, even the things I'm using, if you don't have, there's always a solution around it. And if I don't say it in the video, go ahead and message me, put it in the comments, and I'll give you a suggestion on what you can use with the things at home. So today we're gonna be making an accordion book. All you're gonna need is one piece of paper, and scissors. That's literally gonna be it. Now, if you have glue or tape, that can help keep the book together, but you're gonna learn how you can cut one piece of paper up and make it flip into a book. So, if you have cardstock, that's a little bit better, it's a little heavier. If not, that's fine. Go grab a piece of paper and maybe a ruler, and let's go get started. When we're making an accordion book, we wanna divide our paper into 12 even sections. So we're gonna go 2 lines on your short way and 4 lines on the long direction of the paper. So I'm going to go ahead. It'd be best if you had a ruler to mark. I can't find one, so I'm just going to eyeball it, which is the most accurate way of going. I was kidding about that. And I'm going to fold it into my thirds. And I'm doing this with a heavier cardstock, but if you just have a lighter weight paper, that's fine. And now I'm going to fold it again. So I have it folded into my 3. Now I can lay it flat. And you can fold it in both directions. That way it's not wanting to go in any way in particular. You want it to just kind of be flat after you're done. So there we go. Now we're going to divide into 4. So this one's a little bit easier. We can divide into half. And then we can go half again. And do the same thing where we refold it the other direction. Folding it the other way so it doesn't know any particular way. It's been folded both ways. So now we have our even sections. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut here and here. So I'm going to draw it out so you can see. So I'm going on my long way. I'm going to go 1 section, 2 section, 3 section is going to get cut. And then over here, I'm going to go 1 section, 2 section, 3. So this is where we're going to cut along this line as nicely as you can. Now I'm going to rotate, cut the other way, and then we'll be ready to fold our accordion book. This is such a fun way to make a book out of one piece of paper. So now, let's start folding. We're going to fold this way, and then back like an accordion this way. Now here's going to get tricky. We're going to fold down, then over and back, then down, then over, then back. So now you could staple it here, we could glue it, and we have our nice little book. Watch how it opens. We could glue those 2 together so it doesn't flap open. Same thing there. So let's go ahead and do that. That way we don't want it to open up on us. That's not fun. So let's add, this would be our title page. We don't have to worry anything on our second. Actually, we could glue so it doesn't open. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tape my spine so it stops opening up on me. And I'm just going to do this with a little piece of clear tape. You could draw your cover and your back before you do this. I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my spine. Now you could do a colored piece of tape, you could make it look a little more intentional. So now we're not popping open as much. You could also leave these as pockets, but I want to close them up. Now that I have the tape there, I don't have to worry about this guy. That's fine. I do want to put a little bit of glue on that one. There we go. And it just needs a little bit in the corner. That one's fine. This one needs a little bit of glue. And there we go. And you can see that since I eyeballed mine, it's a little bit rough. I could go ahead and square that up and just cut away, because that's not going to hurt anything. So I have a little bit of a more square book. And I could have done that with a ruler as well, but I can't find one. So there we have it, my little accordion book out of one piece of paper. And we can go ahead and fill that in with all of our drawings. If we don't have a sketchbook, we could make a story. And what a fun little way out of one piece of paper. So I hope you had fun making your accordion book, and I hope it came out as cute as mine. Now, if you had a bigger piece of paper, they would obviously be bigger, but even this is so cute. You could even make it into a flip book. There's so many options for this little book here. So I'd love to see it. Throw a picture online, tag Choate Studio, let me see it. Drop a comment below if you had fun doing it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. And I can't wait to see you guys in future videos. So let me know what you want to see. Bye.